Welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile in 2026 using the latest Facebook app. This simple privacy feature helps protect your personal information, photos, and posts from strangers, while giving you greater control over who can view your profile and activity. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android phone or iPhone and make sure you're logged into your primary Facebook profile. If you're using multiple accounts, switch to the one you want to lock before continuing. Next, navigate to your profile page by tapping your profile picture. On Android, you'll usually find it in the top left corner, while on iPhone you can access it from the menu in the bottom right corner. Once your timeline opens, tap the three horizontal dots located beside the Add to Story button to open the Profile Settings menu. From the list of available options, look for Lock Profile and tap it. Facebook will then display a confirmation screen explaining what happens when your profile is locked, including increased privacy for your posts, stories, profile photos, and other personal information. Review the details, then tap the blue Lock Your Profile button at the bottom of the screen. After a few moments, Facebook will apply the changes to your account. When the process is complete, tap OK to finish. Your profile is now successfully locked, and only your Facebook friends will be able to view most of your content and personal information. That's all there is to it. By enabling Profile Lock, you've added an extra layer of privacy and security to your Facebook account. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends and family so they can also keep their Facebook profiles more secure in 2026. Thanks for watching.